Welcome to this introduction to the OutSystems Overview course. In this session, we'd like to provide a high-level description of what OutSystems is and provide a quick overview of the upcoming sessions in this course. Those sessions will include a session on OutSystems components and tools, another on the overall capability of OutSystems, and several sessions on Service Studio, which is the development environment for OutSystems. The goal of OutSystems is to enable and accelerate the development and delivery of enterprise web and mobile applications. It does this by providing a low-code development environment that generates code and can deploy it to an enterprise-grade full-stack system. The system can be integrated with other systems and your existing code, and has built-in management and analytics capabilities in the server. These are the types of features that help make OutSystems the #1 low-code development platform. And this just isn't our opinion, it's also the opinion of various analysts. Forrester did a wave on mobile development for low-code systems in the first quarter, and OutSystems was included in the leaders wave of that analysis. In the second quarter of 2017, Gartner did their MAD-P Magic Quadrant, MAD-P being the mobile application development platforms, and again, OutSystems was included in the leaders area. And finally, in the fourth quarter of 2017, Forrester did a wave on low-code development platforms, and again, OutSystems ended up in the leaders wave. OutSystems ends up in the leaders areas because of a lot of great capabilities of the system. We'd like to discuss some of those capabilities and introduce you to OutSystems in the upcoming sessions. So the first session that we'll look at will discuss the different components and tools of OutSystems, from the development environments and capabilities to the different administration and operations tools that help us manage our applications across the various environments that exist in our overall infrastructure. We'll also talk about OutSystems capabilities. There are a lot of different things to talk about, from the unbeatable speed of the platform to being able to integrate with anything, to easily deploying applications across the environments, and gathering all of those metrics that will help us understand our applications better. From there, we'll jump into a little bit more detail inside the development environment. So we'll look at how you can get started with Service Studio, from installing it to connecting to the server, to creating new web and mobile apps, and then also discussing how to use different applications or components from our open source repository called the OutSystems Forge. From there, we'll look at how Service Studio is laid out from a workspace perspective. We'll find where the different elements are, how we can change different properties, and use the editors to go ahead and build great applications. Then we'll talk a little bit about the different resources and tools that are available. We'll look at different layers of the application and how OutSystems deals with data, business logic, user interface components, and even business processes. And we'll discuss some of the tools that help us manage different types of dependencies and even version control and some of the merging of different code. And we'll sum everything up at the end by looking how, once our application is ready, how Service Studio can publish it to the server, and then we can begin demoing and testing our application. So that's it for this OutSystems overview. We've done a quick analysis of what will be included in the rest of the course, so hopefully you have a good idea of what's coming. So thanks for listening, and see you in the next session.